Another exceptionally nice Chevelle. This is a 1966 Chevelle Super Sport. Numbers matched throughout. Claimed to be 25,000 actual mile car that's been restored beautifully. Has some nice options, power steering, power brakes. Supposedly 2 owners most of its life. Previous owner had it for 30 years. He was a GM collector. I don't have actual concrete proof, but that's how the story goes. We do have the NCRS shipping data report, showing where the car was sold new and on what date. Nonetheless, it's a beautiful car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see 200 beautiful cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Chateau Slate. Tuxedo black was the rarest color that year. This was the second rarest color, and I think it's beautiful. I think this car, the whole stance, just the way it sits, the color, no vinyl top, it's got it going on. So it is a real super sport, so it has the little scooped hood pieces here. The hood is absolutely straight. Everything lines up beautifully, no issues. Looking down the side of the car, all straight as an arrow. Oh, that shuts like a new car. Smooth all the way down to the bottom. The roof is straight. The sail panels, all of this. Clean and straight everywhere. All lines up beautifully. Looking really sharp. No rust, no issues. All looking really nice. Yeah, look at this here. It's a silver mirror. A Chateau Slate mirror, I should say. All clean. Some people say, why is he touching the car? Sometimes you can feel a little bump that you might not see. Look at this gap. That's like a new Mercedes. It's square and flush. Shuts nice and solid. So the body is in excellent shape. All of it is really nice, and that's what I look for when I buy these cars. Repainted its original color. The metal flake is laid out evenly. It's polished to a very smooth, glossy finish. Like any car, if you look hard enough, you'll find a flaw, but you do have to find it. You won't notice anything. These little scoops must have been painted maybe separately. There's a little bit of dust in the paint. I mean, I'm getting very fussy, but I need to. Up front, all of the chrome, the grille, the bezels, all nice and shiny. Let's call it an 8 out of 10 just to be safe, but there's nothing wrong that I see. T3 headlamps. It's reproduction of the original headlight. Reproduction Redline tires on restored or new rally wheels. All the trim is nice and shiny. Windshield's crystal clear. It's been replaced. The moldings around it look new. Original vent window frame. This one's real nice. The other side had a couple pimples in the chrome. But all this trim all looks good. Door handles look good. All the moldings, emblems, all looking sharp. Back here, the bumper, we'll call it 7 out of 10 just because it's a little dull on top here, a little tarnished. Has the blacked out tail panel. All this trim is very good. It's looking really nice. Original back glass. They all have some scratches in them. That's just the way I find almost all of the cars. Yeah, there you have it. It's got the bow tie mirror. One beautiful car. I love the cross flag emblems. Let's open it up. See what we have in the trunk. It looks good. So the bottom is all painted nice. You got the stickers. The jam is painted up real nice. Weather strip is replaced. Look how clean the whole inside is. Nice clean metal with a durable, neatly applied spatter finish. Has the reproduction mat. We also have a Redline tire on a painted wheel for a spare. Has a jack assembly. The trunk latch assembly is new as well. So yeah, that looks really good in there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Jams are really nice. Weather strips were replaced when they restored the car. Same thing with the door panels. They're looking like brand new still in the armrest, the window cranks and handles, all that's sparkling. Nice clean dash. This whole area, the paint, the chrome, the lenses, all real nice. Has 25,155 miles. Again, that is claimed to be the original. Does have an AM FM radio that's working as good as an AM FM from 1966 would work. All this looks nice. The light works in here. The liner looks new. Kick panel real nice and neat. Carpets laid in here real nice, not wrinkled. Has reproduction mats. A couple extra gauges put in. Everyone likes to keep an eye on their temperature and oil pressure. The seat upholstery is in excellent shape, looking really nice. Got carpet floor mats in the back. Wall to wall, the upholstery, the side panels, window cranks, that's all looking really nice. Sail panels have a few wrinkles in them, but they're in really nice shape. The headliner is tight as a drum. Working light. Does have the original speaker grill in the back shelf too. Original visors look real good. Original mirrors a little cloudy. And then another option is this deluxe 2-spoke steering wheel. Yeah, nice interior. Bench seat. You can sit close to your sweetheart. So this is its original 396, 325 horsepower, numbers matching, original components, manifolds, correct air cleaner and valve covers, and they're all shiny and nice. Reproduction spark plug wires. And you'll see some markings like the W and the different stamps. They're trying to duplicate the assembly line markings. The whole engine bay, nice, clean metal, painted neatly. Reproduction hose clamps, reproduction spring clamp battery cables, battery. Oh, it's got a bracket down here, but it's still a little loose. We can tighten that up. Everything up here, nice clean finishes. The radiator looks like new, the right cap. They even put the paper sticker and dated it February 8th, 1966. So the shroud looks real nice. Looks like an aftermarket flex fan. All the pulleys look real good. So it's power steering car. It has a remote reservoir. That's correct for this year. This glass bottle has windshield washer fluid concentrate. So you'd put a certain amount in here and you'd mix it with water. Alternators tidy. All the wiring is real tidy. Has these shields by the spark plugs, the heat shields. We got power brakes, cadmium plated booster. All the wiring, the wiper motor, the squirters. Look how nice and clean. It's a detailed engine compartment. Under the hood's painted nice, has the insulation. Yeah, nice car. Michael's going to take you for a ride, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Really liking the Chevelle we got here to cruise today. It's very stock. Of course, it's been refreshed, restored, top to bottom. The underside is in amazing condition. Although it uses like stock components, you know, everything looks just like when it came out of the showroom, essentially. Nice solid floors, nice paint. Definitely encourage you to go on the website and check out pictures of the undercarriage and the engine bay on this one as well, which is also stock in appearance, but has been totally redone. And just, yeah, really nice overall. Just like this interior that we're sitting at, extremely comfortable. I love them in this configuration. Nice bench seat up front, snuggle up on your cutie. Definitely a nice option to have. This car was really dialed in when we got it. Numbers matching 396 under the hood, automatic trans, power steering, power brakes. But our shop went over it and they literally had like a service bill like $600. So we just took it to the next level. We need a little punch here. Yeah, you could definitely feel that pull without a doubt. Come on down here, test drive it for yourself. You're not going to be disappointed. Check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath is really clean. The floors are spotless metal, the braces, all of it, the frame, the chassis components, all smooth, not a pit. I don't see patches. I don't see, caulk and glue that someone put in patching things up. The metal under the car is really nice and it's painted a really clean semi-gloss black. All the steering and suspension looks to be in excellent shape. The brakes are in excellent shape. E-brake is hooked up. Fuel system looks like that's been replaced. The dual exhaust system is the factory type. Looking up at the motor, super clean Chevy orange paint. We checked all the casting codes. It says high performance cast right on the block. It has its correct power glide automatic transmission. It's also very clean. Has its original rear end with 331 gears. So underneath the car is as nice as the top. Just a really, really nice example. It just presents itself well. Anyway, go to volocars.com where you can find out even more about the car, talk to a salesman. They can help answer your questions like how you're going to get your Chevelle delivered to your home and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.